Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. Y'all don't kill me. It's been a hot minute and there's been a lot of changes, so let's get into the video to talk about what is different. Obviously I'm sure you can see it, but let's talk about it. So basically I got Microlocs. Remember that time when I was like, yeah, I'll tell you all about my natural hair journey, blah blah blah. I basically not too long after discovered Sister Locs and Microlocs. So I love the style. I always said that I wanted to have locks at some point in my life. I wasn't sure at what point that would be, but I just knew like at one point after I felt like I grew my hair long enough that I wanted to get locks. I don't know, the whole sister lock movement, I never saw the beginnings, or not the beginnings of it, but I never really saw it on YouTube until very recently. And the way my life was headed, I'm getting even busier and busier, and I couldn't keep up with taking care of my natural hair. But I still, of course, wanted to remain natural, and this was like the perfect alternative for me. So a couple things that I wanted to address in this video is my establishment date, why I chose Microlocs over Sister Locs, and also how long my hair was when it started, what my goals are, length goals, some of my hair crushes for Sister Locs, and all that stuff. So let's get into it. When I started the Microlocs, I was kind of unsure of how it would turn out, so I did not tape videos. However, I do have progress pictures that I took when I started. I started the process about February 23rd, I would say, and the first 3 days I was just focusing on parting. Now, just a shout out to Queeneleem. She was literally who I religiously watched each day of this journey, even at the beginning, to know exactly how to do it. I bought the book she had recommended by Michele George. The name is, I can't think of the name right now, but it'll probably appear at the bottom, or it will be in the bottom bar. So that's basically how I got my bearings and how I knew I could start. I actually did do a couple of consultations, two Sister Loc consultations, and the reason I did not choose Sister Loc was basically the price that I was getting for my hair length at that time. So I was measured about 14-16 inches, and I was not interested in cutting my hair at all, and I was getting quoted from about $1,200 to $1,500. That was something I did not have at that time for a hairstyle. And you know, I still knew about the option of starting them yourself. I knew you could start them with locks. I knew you could start them with locks meaning interlocks, which is what I have. I knew you could start them with braids, with twists. So Queeneleem really gave me the confidence to show that I could do it myself, because she did it and they came out so beautifully. So, you know, I mean, some locticians might not be happy about that, but oh well, I started it myself. So I officially finished on March 16th, and that's the day that I'm saying that I have been officially locked. So right now it's just approaching 3 months. Yeah, other things I wanted to talk about is, well, first show you my hair, and then also I wanted to talk about how many locks I have in my head. So I really, earlier on, was like stuck. I wanted 500, even more if I could. 400 would be like okay, but I didn't want any less than that. So I was like 400 or 500, like that's the ideal number that I have. When I counted, I had 392, which is not too far from what I really wanted. But you know, sometimes I was also thinking like, damn, should I have done a little bit more? We'll see. I mean, there's always the option to comb out and do more, but I don't think I'm doing that. I think I love how it's turning out. This is not even 3 months and it's like getting so full already. This is just a quick video just to introduce you guys, tell you guys where I've been. And you know, I'm not gonna make any promises again, because last time, you know, we all know what happened with that. But I am interested, because I have more time. I'm not spending literally all day doing wash day. I do feel like I can hop in and do a little bit more videos, a little bit more frequent. But let's see. So here's a 360. My hair stretch. So you still do lose a little bit of length when you install locks, but eventually they all like become a bit straighter. So this is the back. Hope you can see. I'll get my hands out of it. Yeah, I'm gonna turn this way because I'm not sure what you can see here. This is the side. I did a little edge control type situation. I hope you can see because the chair is like so black, but that's okay. Yeah guys, so that's about it. Let me know what you think. I love them. Like, this is definitely gonna be long term for me. I just feel like it's so easy with work. I don't know why I didn't think of it at the beginning of residency. Literally, you can get up and go. I wake up in the morning, spritz. I wash my hair once a week using Suave Daily clarifying shampoo. I just feel like, I don't know what I was thinking. I don't know why I didn't do this earlier. There's just a couple close-up of some locks. These locks in the front are not locked. I still have some curly ends, which they'll lock eventually, whatever. But yeah, I love it. I love it. I love it. If you're thinking about it, you should do it too. That's all I gotta say. I'll come back with more detailed videos on like basically whatever you guys want. So if leave any questions below, I can do a Q&A. So if you want, please like leave some questions, comments, concerns down below, and I'll address them in my next video. But I just wanted to come say where I've been, what's going on with my hair, and say hello. Bye guys.